Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are going to talk about Mountain Flow EcoVax on Shark Tank. What is the cost? Who is the founder? And is it really non-toxic? We have a lot of details on this, and please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to it. So let's get started. Craving for a simple and eco-friendly way of improving your skiing experience? Mountain Flow EcoVax is all what you need. A proprietary blend of 5 plant oils that can compete with petroleum-based waxes in limiting resistance and maintaining speed. North America's first line of plant-based ski waxes is set to change the ballgame of the wax industry. If you didn't know, many expensive waxes contain toxic and carcinogenic fluorocarbons harmful to wildlife and humans. On the latest episode of Shark Tank, an entrepreneur from Carbondale, Colorado shows the sharks how can they shred the slope sustainably with his eco-friendly product. The official website claims that the wax not only is water-based and non-toxic but also biodegradable and non-hazardous. So, what exactly is Mountain Flow EcoVax? Wax protects your bases from abrasive snow crystals, prolongs the life of your equipment, and provides a fast and smooth glide in all snow conditions. The official website explains. First created in 2016, Mountain Flow EcoVax, made entirely from plant-based waxes, act as a buffer between the snow surface and the bases of your skis or snowboard. Rub-on quick wax is easiest way to get on the waxing game. Just drop some wax on the base of your skis or snowboard and you're good to go. Usually the wax lasts for about 4 to 6 days depending on the snow conditions, but quick wax and skin wax will last for 1 day, which is standard for any rub-on wax. So here are the different kinds of waxes and all you need to know about them. Hot wax ensures a better performance, smoothness, and helps with a considerable improvement. What's more, it can also protect you from any damage done by rocks and other substances. Race wax, hydrophobic and durable thanks to exclusive mountain flow ceramic nanotechnology, it adds a layer that repels water at the non-particle level. Quick wax. The rub on wax eliminates the snow and ice buildup and ensures a butterly smooth glide in all temperatures and snow conditions. Skin wax. Backcountry skiers may prefer this more than anyone else. It repels water and prevents a buildup of ice and clumps of snow, which helps improve the glide and comes in a spray and rub on. However, the rub on is more effective and lasts longer. So, who's the founder? Born and brought up on skis in Carbondale, Colorado, Peter Erline is the brainchild of Mountain Flow EcoVax. During his school days, he became a ski instructor and a member of the ski patrol. It was then when he closely understood the challenges that come with skiing. Later, he also got a master's degree from University of Alaska, Anchorage. So what's the cost of the product? On the official website, you can purchase the different kinds of wax, and here is the price catalog. Quick wax is available for around $16, hot wax around $18.50, race wax around $27.95. So where are they now? Did you know that Mountain Flow EcoVax had a win-win since the beginning when it first got over 100 backers and raised about $6,300 within 24 hours of its Kickstarter program? Now Mountain Flows is a new line of plant-based bike products is taking the industry by storm. For the future, the founder seems to have his eyes set on eco-friendly waxes. Shedding light on race wax, the official website reads, we've just launched a line of plant-based non-fluoro race wax with Mountain Flow's exclusive ceramic nanotechnology. Our new races wax is competitive with any non-fluoro race wax on the market. So, will they seal the deal? The product pitch seems fascinating, and it might just be of interest to either Barbara Corcoran or Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful. Don't you think so? On February 4, Barbara posted, I love investing in entrepreneurs who know hardship, who have something to prove, and are hungry for success. They're the ones I make a lot of money with. So, that's all I know, and that's all we have for this episode of Shark Tank. Please continue to watch this space and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching me. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.